Do you know that you can use Canva to edit your TikTok videos or your Instagram reels for free? You do not have to worry. Let's dive into Canva and I will show you how you can edit your TikTok videos. So first of all, what you do, you have to go to canva.com. So if you do not have an account yet, go and create Canva account right now. So the second step that you're going to do, you go and search for TikTok template. So you're going to see the videos that aligns well with TikTok, and you're going to choose what video that you want to customize. I want to customize this video. So what am I going to do? So I'm going to delete this video that is here and I'm going to replace it with my video, right? So you're going to come and upload on your left hand side and upload the video from your device. Once you have uploaded that video from your device, go to videos. You are going to see uploaded video and replace the videos that are there. So the video are playing here, but maybe I do not like that video. I want to replace it with my video. Like, I want to replace it with my video, and from there, I don't know what is this here. I want to add the text. And I can come here to text and add text there on top of my video, right? Text on top of my video, and this is the text that I've added. I'm going to change the font size and I'm going to change the color. I'm going to change the color, maybe the bright size, and I'm going to edit it. So how am I going to edit? And just say TikTok trend. So make sure it's visible on the cell phone and everyone is able to see it, right? So you can actually write whatever that you want to write. And I'm coming here on the effect, guys, and I like to highlight my videos, like my text. So we're going to change this and maybe put it black, reduce the size. So that is how you actually change your font size on your TikTok video or your YouTube short, right? So you can come and just make it either for the length of that video, or you can make it short and not to be appearing on. So make sure you have your understand. So once you've done that and your video is ready, what you're going to do, you select share and you can go post it straight on TikTok. So you're going to scan the QR code using your cell phone, or what you can also do, you're going to select share and download it as MP4 video, download it on your device, and then you can go and post it on TikTok, guys. So I hope this video helped you, and if it helped, follow if you are watching this on TikTok, subscribe to this channel if you are watching on YouTube, and give this video a thumbs up. I will see you in the next video.